Paul Revere's Boston Massacre was the first big propaganda in our country. If you look at his engraving, it is clearly propaganda in favor of the colonists and showing and portraying the British soldiers as the ones who started the conflict. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. There are conflicting reports on actually who started this, but there was an argument between some colonists and some of the British soldiers, and the colonists were not innocent in this case. They ended up throwing rocks and ice at the British soldiers, which probably put them in a state of panic. On the British soldiers' expressions, you see them a little bit more angry, a little bit more intimidating. On the left-hand side, with the colonists, you see a woman in the crowd, almost saying that, can you believe that the British soldiers would actually fire in a crowd where a woman was present? Over on the British soldiers' side, on the right, you see a sign that says butcher, labeling these British soldiers as such. And right underneath that sign, you see a sneaky person in the window, maybe a possible sniper that was also shooting in that building. Were they actually there? Probably not. And finally, right in the middle, you can see this little dog. Dogs represent loyalty, and it's looking right at the viewer. You, the person reading this, or the colonists at the time. Which side will you be a part of? And now you know that,